In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check event details at a glance in Google Calendar. This is a really simple but powerful way to quickly understand what an event is about, when it's happening, and where you need to be, without digging through menus or opening a bunch of different windows. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser, or in the app if you're on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one Google account for work, school, or personal events. Once your calendar is open, choose a view that you're comfortable with. Most people use the week or month view, but this works exactly the same in day view as well. Now find the event you're interested in. It might be a meeting, a reminder, a birthday, or any other type of event already scheduled on your calendar. Each event appears as a colored block or bar, depending on the view and the duration of the event. To see the details at a glance, simply click on the event. On mobile, tap the event once. As soon as you do, a small pop-up card or panel will appear on your screen. This card is designed to give you the most important information right away, without needing to open the event in full edit mode. On this quick view, you'll usually see the event title at the top, followed by the date and time, including the time zone if it's different from your default. You can also see the location if one has been added, which is especially helpful if you need to navigate using a map app. If the event has a video conferencing link, such as a video meeting, you'll see a button or link you can click to join directly from this view. You can also check who else is invited to the event if it's a shared meeting. Often you'll see the guest list or at least an indication of how many people are attending. In many cases, you'll also see a short description, agenda, or any notes that were added to the event, giving you quick context about what will be discussed or what you need to prepare. If you realize you need to change something, like your RSVP or a small detail, there is usually an option right on this card to respond, or a link to open the event fully for editing. But if you just want a quick reminder of what the event is, that simple click on the event and the pop-up view is all you need. And that's all there is to it. Just click on the event in your calendar view, glance through the pop-up details, and you're ready to go.